Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can go ahead and enable NSFW on Reddit. It's very easy, okay? Just don't do it at work, don't use it at work. Okay, come here at the top right, click on your profile icon, and then I want you to come here and click on settings, okay? Now here, under preferences, okay, click on preferences. Now I want you to scroll down. You see this right here under content. It says assure mature content where you're over 18. Okay, so if I toggle this on, I'll be able to see NSFW in both my feed and search results. Okay, just make sure you're over 18. Just click on yes. Right, so there we go. We have toggled this on. And if you want, you can also toggle this one off. So when you do get NSFW, it's not automatically blurred. So I'll toggle this one off and perfect. We have properly enabled NSFW on Reddit and enjoy guys. Okay, it's really that easy.